Fish on, guys.
Get him in.
I'm on Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, guys, we're here picking up D this morning. And I'm about to head out on the water this morning to see what we can pick up. We've been out the last 2 days, guys, but we haven't really picked up nothing significant. So we're just here this morning getting ready to push out, guys. Stay tuned for this epic adventure, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. I'll work the length of the pier with that lure too. You can work the length of the pier, like work the edge of the pier. Come back this way real quick. Just catch the length of it. If you can cast, then just hit a straight length like this and just work that length of the pier, because you'll have them hiding under the pier too. Alright. Yeah, let's get out of here after this, because there's nothing going on here. Not yet, of course. This is where I like kayaking, right here. You heard? Right there's 1,000 feet drop right there. You see past those waves a little bit? About 20 yards after that, 1,000 foot drop off. Straight to Cuba. Alright, nothing yet. Alright, murder she wrote on this pier, guys. We're gonna move down the line and go to the next spot. So after you peppered a certain amount of area for a little period of time, you haven't picked up nothing. Lure fishing rule number 1, move on. Yeah, man, move on. Yeah, man, me and these peppered this pier a while ago. We didn't pick up nothing. We haven't gotten any bite. We haven't gotten any chase, but 1 jackfish. I'm gonna give it another shot in the shallows right here. I had D cast here a while ago, guys. The grass kind of gave her a little bit of problem. Let me see if I can get in there. And now it's giving me problems too. Oh, that's because this lure is swimming low. That's why. Alright, we already established that there's grass right there. Alright, murder she wrote. And these casting and not get nothing that way. See what's up? Not even a lizard fish? Wow, that's sad. Yep, this is why these boys ain't picking up this morning. They're well fed. Look. It'd be funny if I'm doing this and you hear pow. It's called walking the dog. It's getting chased by snappers. Fireman, I'll go down on the rock stone, don't you, sir? You're good, man. There, guys, me and these out. Yeah, careful not to let it go too low, D. Hitched again? It's low. You're good enough. It's low. Just watch your step and sea urchins, those black little round things. Yeah. Yeah, that's to the rock right there. You good? Oh, the fob. That's how far he got stuck. Try not to do that when we get up on that wall. Yeah, shore fishing. Alright, cast on this side. This side has a lot of reef over here. You see that clear? Cast out, you see, to the black and roll back, but try not to jig it too hard for it to go down. The less you jig, the less a twitch bait will go down. If you wind straight, it'll just swim right in. You understand? If you twitch it, it'll go down. Each twitch, you'll go down about 1 inch. Get out to the black, right out there, and just work your way back in. Oh shit, a snapper chasing it. Look at him. Little snapper too. Nothing? Yeah, I just got splashed in my eye by the salt water. Straight squirt. That shit just gave me the straight salt water squirt in my eye. Oi, calm down. Sure. Black. Bleak. They're looking for bleak. They like the bleak. It's the bleak. Just doing it today. We going bleak. Black and purple. Oh, look, long jaw chasing. A bird? Yeah. He flew past. Evasive maneuvers. Yeah, in the shallows you can't be too aggressive when you bring it in because it will hitch up on you. So you can use twitch lures anywhere. Like, it's just that, like I said, you just have to keep in mind that each time you jig it, it goes down 1 inch to 2 inches. You understand? So what I do is I let it swim, and when I want it to do that effect, I wind in like this straight and just give it the effect as it's coming in shallows. You understand? So you're using the rod tip to manipulate the movement off the twitch bait itself to give it that mimic. Yo, that barra got my mind thinking right now, yo, D. D, that was a big barra, D. Alright, let's go up the line. We're gonna go up the line. One old pier up here so we can cast off of. We can throw some more line up here, alright? Come on, let's go get the car. It's right here, we're going.
Is it 2-piece rod?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the same one I have at home.
Yeah. Right here you go.
Do you use mono?
Yeah.
At all? Okay.
Yeah, here it goes right here. Use the mono today.
So you got the leader, or that's on your spool?
Leader.
Okay.
So we have all of this that we can cast out from here.
Okay.
So this is an old pier that abandoned or something. But you have all of this you can cast back this side. So get busy.
Yeah, man. And when I get home, I can tell about all the places we've been. Tell my mom, like, yeah, we were there in Mobay, this part, that part. She's like, what?
Look, I got chased by a long jaw already. Look.
Yeah, I see him. He acting up over there.
Yeah, guys. Get this lure out. Oh, fish on!
There we go.
Fish on, guys.
There we go.
Fish on. Jamaican sure fish it. Fish on, guys. Got him.
Nice.
Fish on. Fish on, guys.
Get him in.
Got him in, guys. Woohoo! Gotcha. Holy smokes. Yeah. Whew.
Nice.
Battery died just as I brought him in. Barracuda. That's what's up, guys. Toothy fella, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're dangerous. You gotta be careful. Watch that hook. Calm down, you ain't getting no hook in me today. For sure, for sure. I ain't playing that shit. You is dead. D-E-D dead. Hold on, go ahead, calm down. Oh shit. Got it in the mind. Hold on, let me get him up for you.
Jerry and his fish.
Told you this black lure ain't had no sense. Go ahead, cast out, D. Keep on casting. Cause there's one more out there someplace. Let me get I'm gonna get this guy secured up. Oh, I got the hook off already. See, D? D? Look. Your hook, buddy. Good fish. Woo-hoo. Jamaicansurefishing at you. This is the closing to this video, guys. Me and Diaz went on the only mission around Jamaica. All over Jamaica.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. We hit every spot that we could possibly think of, and we finally bingo this morning. So this is the end of the journey, guys. Dee had traveled all the way here and linked up with Jamaican Shore Fishing, and we threw line, and she is a champ, guys.
That's right.
I tell you, she is a real trooper. I tell you, not even a sweat on her brows, yo, to say, yo, Jay, I'm tired. None of that. Off the chain, guys. I tell you this.
Man, we were on a mission, and you were the best of hosts. Anybody coming to Montego Bay, come check out your boy Shore Fishing. Make sure that you check out Shore Fishing.
All right.
He gonna put you on.
Definitely, guys, and you know what I'm saying? We outside. All right, guys, big up yourself. Jamaican Shore Fishing, one love, and we're gonna drop Dee off, and she can get on her journey home safely. All right, guys, big up yourself. We are out here.